So here's how we can make an empty page on the iPhone home screen. Let's get started. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, we now have the ability to put our icons anywhere we want, but still an empty home screen is just not available. So what we actually need to do is to come up with some sort of a blank space, which is going to take up at least one space on the home screen, and it will actually appear blank or empty, right? And there are more tools and ways how we can do this. For example, there are websites where you can just upload your empty home screen. So you would basically just click on or edit your home screen, go to an empty page, take a screenshot of that, and you can upload it to some pages where you essentially choose the icon, which is supposed to be a blank one, and you can add it to the home screen, and that way you're gonna end up with a blank space, and that way the empty home screen sort of appears. Or another option is to use the widget approach, where you get like a clean blank widget, and there are actually many of them which basically just let you do what you need, and perhaps you'll see a little thing right there, like it might be a nice transparent widget with a clock or something, but it's just not gonna be, it's gonna be barely visible, and you're gonna basically end up with a empty home screen because even that image is transparent. So that is the approach that just works currently in the latest iOS. Obviously, if anything would change in the next versions, whenever there is a new update, we'll most definitely update you about what's going on. So most definitely subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming changes and sort of like tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.